This is a tasty burger. I do love the taste of a good burger.
And that's what we got today. The oven burger. It's ooey, gooey, and chewy, and so delicious to make. Stick around. That's right, we're doing oven burgers today with Five Guy fries. So we're going to start off with our fries. I got 4 russet potatoes that I've already peeled. Then I'm going to square off all 4 sides. This will help me get a nice, even French fry. And once we get the fries cut to the size that we like, we're going to soak them in cold water for at least an hour, hopefully a little longer. We want to get all that starch out of the potato. So we're going to cut these about a 1/4 inch thick. So we'll cut sheets of the potato, and then we're going to flip them and cut them again, and that'll give us our perfect fry. While I'm doing this, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. And hit that bell to stay up to date on new recipes. So when we get our fries in the water, we're going to take our burgers out of the refrigerator and season them and let them get room temperature. I've got Kinder's buttery steakhouse seasoning is what I'm using. You can use that or salt, pepper, or nothing at all. It's up to you. So we'll let those burgers get room temperature. And then after about an hour or so, we'll take our fries out of the water and put them on paper towel to dry. Get our temperature up to 325 in our oil. And we're going to do the 2 fry method. So the first fry is going to be at 325 for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll remove the fries, put them on a rack to dry, crank the temperature back up to 365. And while that temperature's going up, we're going to put our burgers in our oven, which is at 350 for 30 minutes. All right, now our oil for our fries has reached 365. So now we'll put the fries in for the second fry. And you'll leave these in until they are golden brown. You'll be able to tell exactly in a second. There you go. That's what you're looking for right there. Take those, spread them out on a paper towel to drain, season them with salt, whatever you like. Now, our burgers are done. So we take them out of the oven, let them rest for a minute. We've got our brioche hamburger buns with 1 slice of top quality American cheese on each side. So we'll put the burger on the bottom, put a few pickles on top of the burger, and then we're going to put the top of the burger with the cheese on top of the burger, and we're going to wrap that up in aluminum foil. And we'll do all 4 burgers like this, put them back on the cookie sheet, and put them back in the oven for 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, pull them out, and you've got yourself the ooey gooey, chewy oven burger with amazing Five Guys fries for pennies on the dollar if you went to the restaurant. All right, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's real easy to make. Thank you.